Good morning, students. How are you all? As you know, our exams are approaching. So let's get a short revision of what we have learned throughout in our Zoom class. Our first chapter which is coming is my sense organs. So all of you know that how many sense organs do we have? We are having 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Now when we talk of about our sense organ, we see with our eyes, okay? We taste with our tongue, we touch and feel things with our skin, and we smell with our nose, and finally we hear sounds, different types of sounds with the help of our ear. So this chapter covers basically the 5 sense organs and their function: eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. Eyes to see, nose to smell, tongue to taste, ear to hear, skin to feel. Okay, so that was your 3rd chapter. Now in 4th chapter there are few rules which we have to learn for looking after our body. हमें क्या ध्यान रखना चाहिए? We should brush our teeth daily in the morning as well as before going to sleep. We should bath daily with clean water and soap. We should comb our hair. हमें अपने बाल जो है अच्छे से comb करने चाहिए. Wash our hands before and after meals. And we should eat all the 3 meals at time. What are the 3 meals? Breakfast, lunch and dinner. We should wear clean and iron cloth. It should not be there कि हम गंदे से कपड़े पहन लेते हैं. Okay, we should trim our nails once a week. हमको अपने nails once week में एक बार काटने चाहिए. And we should sleep properly on time. Late night नहीं जगना चाहिए. We should sleep properly on time. Okay, so these are few rules which we need to follow while we should look after our body. हमें अपनी body का ध्यान रखने के लिए these rules we should keep in our mind. Okay, so we should follow these rules. Our 4th chapter is about, 5th chapter is about the clothes we wear. हम कौन कौन से clothes पहनते हैं. तो आपको पता है there are different seasons and for different seasons we wear different types of clothes. अलग अलग type के clothes होते हैं. तो first of all आप let's understand that how many types of seasons are there. In your class you will study 3 types of seasons. Okay, summer, winter and rainy season. कौन कौन से हैं? Summer, winter and rainy season. 3 seasons are there. Now summer seasons क्या होते हैं? It is very hot during this season, so you wear cotton clothes. Why do you wear cotton clothes during summer season? Because cotton clothes keeps us cool. Cotton clothes हमें क्या करते हैं? ठंडा रखते हैं, हमें गर्मी नहीं लगती है. अगर if we are having lot of sweat, cotton clothes absorb sweat. कॉटन क्लोथ्स क्या होता है? वो हमारा पसीना एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं, सो दैट वी फील कूलिंग इफेक्ट. विंटर सीजन, नाउ ड्यूरिंग विंटर्स व्हाट हैपन इफ यू वेयर कॉटन क्लोथ्स? आप कॉटन क्लोथ्स पहनोगे तो आपको ठंड लगेगी ना. सो विंटर सीजन में आप क्या पहनोगे? बेसिकली वुलन क्लोथ्स, जैकेट्स, मफलर्स, स्वेटर्स, सॉक्स, ग्लव्स एंड कैप्स. सो दीज आर द different things which you wear during winter season. When we talk of the rainy season में you wear raincoat and gum boots. क्या पहनते हो? raincoat और gum boots. और साथ में हाथ में क्या लेते हो? Do you know? Yes, you take umbrella. आप umbrella को पकड़ते हो to keep yourself safe from rain. Now what is uniform? Uniform क्या होता है? People who do the same kind of work wear special clothes called uniform. जो people एक तरीके के कपड़े पहनते हैं कुछ एक particular काम के लिए. For example, firefighter. When you look at the picture of the firefighter, red color clothes, fire hydrant का जो water pipe होता है he is carrying in his hand. Policeman all the policemen are wearing one type of clothes, pilots are wearing one kind of clothes, soldiers are wearing one types of clothes, nurse, sailors, and you are also having one type of cloth. आपके कैसे होते हैं, स्कूल आते हो तो you wear uniform ना, because you study in our school. So people who do same kind of work wear special clothes called uniform. हम उन्हें uniform कहते हैं. आपका work क्या है? Your work is to study. Another word is there, costume. People living in different places wear different types of clothes. They are called costumes. उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Costumes. For example, Punjabi costume, Kashmiri costume, Gujarati costume and Bengali costume. Also, जो एक तरीके का डांस परफॉर्म करते हैं या एक्टर्स एक तरीके के होते हैं वो भी कॉस्ट्यूम पहनते हैं. कथक डांस कॉस्ट्यूम, मणिपुरी डांस कॉस्ट्यूम, भरतनाट्यम डांस कॉस्ट्यूम, कथकली डांस costume. Okay, so these are the costumes. So you understand the difference between costumes and uniform. Now, material of the clothes. Cotton clothes are made up of cotton fiber. किसके बने होते हैं? Cotton fiber. और cotton fiber कहाँ मिलता है? Plant से. लेकिन woolen जो हमारे clothes होते हैं they are made up of wool. और wool किससे मिलता है? From sheep. We get wool from the sheep. Okay, so we get material from the different sources, whether animal or plant. Jacket, belt and shoes किस चीज़ के बने होते हैं? लेदर के बने होते हैं. Okay, so this was about these 3 chapters. अगले वीडियो में we will revise about other chapters which are coming in your PMT test. Till then, prepare well, go through these videos again and again. Goodbye, take care.